What's up everyone? Coach Gabby here, and I'm so excited because today we have a knee-friendly booty workout. That's right, no squats, no lunges, no jumping. I know you're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. All right, coming gently down to the floor at your own pace, we are going to start with glute bridges with an abduction. So, like a normal glute bridge, all right, our lower back is pressed down to the ground, feet are parallel, hands are to the side for support. You press your hips up, all right, and while they're up there, you're gonna open your knees, all right, and then close them. You should really feel this on the side of your butt and then come back down. So, up, open, close, down. And that is one full glute bridge with abduction, all right? So we're gonna be doing this exercise for 30 seconds, so as many you can do in that timing, but it's more important to focus on your form than how many you're doing or how fast you're doing it. So always keep that in mind for every single exercise, all right? 30 seconds, take a deep breath. And if you hear me breathing loud, which sometimes I do, and you'll hear it in my videos, it's because I am really breathing with intention, and I want you guys to breathe with me, all right? So if you hear me inhale and exhaling and puffing, go ahead and do it too. Make sound with your breath, all right? It's perfectly okay. It actually helps you, fill your lungs in a little bit more, so go ahead and do that. Back to our booty workout, I'm sorry. And 30 seconds, let's go. Up, open, close, down. Very good. All right, you got that, you got this. Just remember the motions. Move with intention, breathe. Doesn't matter how many you do, it's how you do it. All right, almost there. Push through, you got this. Last one, make it a good one. Maybe hold. Lift your toes up, woo, and down, very good. Shake out your legs. Shake them out. Ooh. Very good, awesome job. Now we have lying leg lifts. So this is gonna be fun. We're actually turning to our tummies. So we're laying on our tummies. We're gonna have our hands, down here. You can be on your forearms, have them to the side, your elbows to the side. And what we're gonna be doing is opening our legs a little bit, maybe like on the outside of the mats, all right? And we are going to squeeze our butts and lift our legs up, all right? That's it, so simple, but you are gonna feel it, trust me. My glutes are already on fire. We're only on the second exercise and haven't even started it yet. So these are awesome, you're gonna love them. So come down, bring your chest down, and we don't wanna strain your upper body, so go ahead and, we're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. Breathe, and let's go. Squeeze up and down. Up, and you can hold up there as long as you like, and down. Don't forget to breathe. Delivering oxygen to your muscles is super important while you exercise. Make sure your gaze is down. Make sure you're looking down. All right, last one, make it a good one. Hold it if you can. Squeeze, 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 you got this. And down, very good. All right, come up a little bit if you need to. Bend your knees. If you want, go ahead, go back into a child's pose. Take some relief off your lower back. Bend your knees a little bit, all that good stuff. And come right down to the same position. So what we're gonna be doing now is heel taps. So kind of like what we just did, but instead of just keeping them straight up, we're gonna tap our heels together, okay? So down in the position we were before, your gaze is down, you can put your forehead on your hands if you want to. We're gonna come up, tap, and down. Up, tap, open, down, all right? As many as you can for 30 seconds, so go ahead and go slow if you need to, or if you're feeling good, go ahead and, shoot out as many as you can, but 30 seconds, form is more important. Listen to your body and let's go. Don't hold your breath. I just held my breath on that first exercise, and it reminded me to remind you guys not to hold your breath. It's easy when we're focusing on something to kind of forget to breathe, but trust me, I'm always here to remind you. Breathe. Inhale, exhale, last one. And very good, relax. Now go ahead and go back into that child's pose. Relieve your lower back. Take a few seconds here. And get ready for our next workout, which are kickbacks, a classic glute workout. So we're on our hands and knees, tabletop position, making sure your hand is right below your shoulder, straight line right there. And what we're gonna be doing is one leg at a time, we're going to be kicking back. So like a donkey kick, like when a donkey gets upset, she goes, bah! But we're not gonna be shooting it out like that. We're gonna do a small controlled movement. So lifting our knee up, driving our heel back. All right, see my position here? I'm not overarching. My leg is, kind of straight. It's a little up, but we don't want too much because we don't want to hurt our lower back. All right, stomach is in, good posture, and then we come back down. All right, we're gonna do 15 seconds one side and then switch it over to the next. All right, get in position and let's go, one leg. And if you want to make this a crunch, you can, on your way back in, you can crunch in. Instead of just coming back to like the neutral position, you can crunch it in and make it a double workout. So abs and glutes. All right. And other side. Very good. All right, keep going. I'm just adjusting my watch here. Breathing. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, very good. Feel the burn. I feel the burn. I hope you do, because we're gonna knock it out of the park with our last exercise. We have fire hydrants, so we were just donkeys. Now we're gonna be dogs peeing on a fire hydrant. I know it's funny, but that's, what it's named after. You gotta have some laughs along the way too. All right, so same position as before, on all fours, breathing. And what we're gonna be doing is just lifting our leg to the side. All right, we're gonna do one side at a time, but just to show you. All right, making sure that you're not tilting, on that standing hand and knee. You still want to stay centered. You're gonna lean over a little bit, that's natural, but try not to that much, all right? So I'm gonna go side and really feel it here on the side of your butt. Squeeze your butt as your leg comes up, all right? This is where we're gonna be feeling it the most, okay? So we're gonna be doing 15 seconds on one side and 15 seconds on the other. Let's go. Remembering your posture here, all right? No arching, no rounding, a nice straight back, okay? 3 more seconds. And very good, switch sides. All right, almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, very good, you're done. Let's stand it up And stretch it out a little bit, shake it out. All right. And that was it, your knee-friendly, no jumping, no squats, no lunges, booty workout. I hope you liked it, and if you did, check out our channel because we have so many more things to show you, share with you, and we also want to hear from you. So comment below any exercises you would like to see or any comments, where you're from. I want to hear it all. We read it all, and hope to see you on the next one.